Welcome to the Ducati 2024 premiere. We're here in Brisbane to unveil the 2024 model range. We have the Multistrada V4 RS, the Multistrada V4 S Grand Tour, the Desert X Rally and the Hypermotard Mono. In addition to this, we're launching the 2024 apparel collection. Forza Ducati!
Multistrada V4 RS. Desert X Rally. I believe this is the ultimate adventure bike for Australia now. Hypermotard 698. Ducati's now built us a new single-cylinder engine that's stolen a lot of technology from the Panigale range. The C5 jacket is vented mesh